Have you ever noticed how the person who barely texts you back somehow becomes the one you can't stop thinking about? It's weird, right? Someone pulls away, and instead of letting them go, your heart starts sprinting in their direction. You replay conversations, overanalyze their tone, obsess over what you said wrong, and somehow convince yourself that if you just try a little harder, they'll come back. But here's the truth that most people don't want to admit. You're not actually chasing them. You're chasing validation. You're chasing closure. You're chasing the feeling of being enough for someone who made you feel like you weren't in a healthy connection. You don't have to beg for attention. You have to decode mixed signals or stay up at night wondering what you did wrong. But when you're used to inconsistency, maybe from childhood, past relationships, or situationships, it starts to feel normal, even addictive. In the US, we're conditioned to think love has to be earned, hustled for, proved. We celebrate the chase. We tell ourselves, if I can win this person over, it means I matter. But love shouldn't feel like a competition. It should feel like home. So why do you chase people who pull away? Because deep down, you believe that if you can just get them to stay, maybe you can rewrite the story. Maybe this time, the person won't leave. Maybe this time, you'll finally feel chosen. But here's the hard truth. It's not your job to convince someone to choose you. When someone pulls away, that's information. It's not a challenge. It's not a clue in a game you need to solve. It's a message. I have the capacity to give you what you need. And your job isn't to earn their love. Your job is to protect your peace. So what do you do instead? First, pause, breathe, stop texting them paragraphs they're not ready to receive. Sit with your discomfort instead of reacting from it. To ask yourself, what am I really trying to get from this person? Is it lovable? Is it proof that I'm lovable? Then flip the script. What if the person who pulls away is just showing you who they are? What if they're doing you a favor, saving you from months of anxiety, confusion, and emotional whiplash? You don't need to chase clarity. You create it. You give yourself closure. You stop tying your worth to someone else's ability to see it. Let's be honest. Of us are scared of the silence, scared of being alone with our thoughts. But that silence, that space, that's where healing happens. That's where you remember who the hell you are. It's where you stop begging to be chosen and start choosing yourself. And here is a tip for the next time you've re-tempted to chase. Ask yourself if the energy you re-pouring into someone else could be better spent on someone who shows up without games, without pulling away, without making you feel like you're too much for wanting something real. People who pull away aren't necessarily bad. They're just not aligned with what you need, and that's okay. Let them go. Let people leave. Let the ones who don't know how to love you exit quietly, so the ones who do can find their way in. Healing starts the moment you stop chasing and start receiving. It's not breadcrumbs, not confusion, but real, steady love. And remember this, just because someone pulls away doesn't mean you're unworthy. It means they're not ready. Or maybe they're not right. And both of those truths are gifts when you're ready to receive better. Drop a message to your favorite stranger and don't forget to subscribe for more honest healing stories just like this.